Surely you are already familiar with the extrude function in popular 3D programs. I am looking forward to showing you all the variations of this function in Blender. I am convinced that you will like them. In Blender, I ensure that I am in edit mode by pressing the Tab key. Then I make sure to be in polygon mode, or I simply press the number 3 key. Next, I select a polygon, right-click and go to Extrude Faces. I can extrude the selected polygon, or I choose it and press the E key for the extrude shortcut, or I select the polygon and press Shift and the spacebar. A special menu for modeling tools opens up. I scroll down to Extrude region. There I see an icon, a yellow sign with a plus symbol, and when I pull on it, I can extrude the polygon. This is similar to Cinema 4D when I return to the selection box by clicking the corresponding button. I select the polygon, go to the toolbar on the left side, click on Extrude region, and then have the same function as if I just pressed the E key for extruding. When I press and hold the Extrude tool in Blender, I see that 5 different extrude tools are available. This is also known in Cinema 4D, the 2 tools Extrude along normals and Extrude individual. I can demonstrate this briefly. For example, if I select 3 polygons and choose Extrude along normals, I can pull out 3 polygons simultaneously, and they are then fused together. This corresponds to the option in Cinema 4D when I activate Keep Groups. If I do the same again and switch to Extrude Individual, it's like in Cinema 4D when I deactivate Keep Groups, and the 3 polygons are not welded together. In Blender, there's an additional tool called Extrude Manifold. I'll demonstrate this briefly using a different scene in Blender. I create a simple once subdivided cube. Normal extruding works by selecting the face, pulling on the face, thereby creating a new edge. I can do this on other faces as well. If I extrude this face inwards, additional faces are created which I must manually correct. For example, if I take the back face and extrude it inwards, the same problem occurs. I undo this to demonstrate the Extrude Manifold tool. When I activate it, select the face and pull on it, no new edge is created. When I confirm the whole thing and deactivate Dissolve Orthogonal Edges, the edge is automatically established. This means if I select a face and extrude it, this face remains. The special feature of this tool is that if I select, for example, the upper face and extrude it inwards, the new edges are automatically welded together. Thus, the same problems as with normal extruding do not occur. So if I take this face and pull it inwards, I don't have problems with the individual polygons on the outer walls. I can pull them in so that the individual edges are automatically welded together. This behaves similarly to the tool in SketchUp. In Blender, there is a 5th extrude tool, which is quickly explained. I go to this polygon, switch to the side view to better see it, I call up the extrude cursor command, and as soon as I click with the left mouse button, the activated polygon is extruded to the spot where I click with my mouse. Now you're familiar with Blender's extrusion tool. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and click the bell icon. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any new videos.